All right, all right. You know who it is? It's JL Anti-Guru, and it's Monday, the first day of the week. Monday, Monday. And you know how we do it. We always start out with a little music. I like this jam. So let's go ahead on and turn the music down and get started. Today we're going to talk about uh, the Dream Keyword ABC hack. And this hack is going to help you to get keywords that you can use on YouTube and you can use on Google as well. But let's first talk about Google. Let's talk about uh, YouTube. You know, YouTube is special. You know, it's very similar to uh, to other social media outlets, but it's also different because like Facebook and Instagram, when you post your lives, like I'm doing right now, they'll show up for a little while, unless you do some type of paid advertising, eventually that video, that live is going to drop down in your news feed. It's going to drop down on your page, whatever that is, whether you're doing it on your personal page, on your business page. So the reach that you will have is only going to be limited, and it's going to be momentary. But the difference between Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, when you post your videos on YouTube, they are evergreen. And actually you can grow and build your audience with those videos. And I'm gonna give you an example. I made a video about 5 years ago about Bing advertising, which is now Microsoft advertising. And I actually got a customer, a client, who was interested in working with me because he saw that video that I posted 5 years ago, and he looked for me on Facebook and reached out to me. So that's the first benefit. Uh, but YouTube is built to keep people on YouTube as opposed to Facebook and Instagram. They actually will reward you for putting out good content as opposed to Facebook or Instagram. And I'm not bashing Facebook or Instagram. They are great social media outlets, and you can definitely build your business with those two social media outlets. But the thing is, with YouTube, your following, your subscribers, they can all grow over time. You know. So let me tell you a little story about the power of YouTube. Now, everybody, you probably a couple of years ago, there was this company that came out with the $1 Shave Club, and they created a video and they put it everywhere. It was on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and they grew and they went viral. But there was another company uh, that was making razors, and you all have heard about them before, is Gillette. Now, what Gillette did, and they've been dominating on YouTube, but what they did is they did some special keyword research. And I want you to listen to this because this can work for a lot of for you people out there who are doing make money from home, or you have affiliate marketing and network marketing, or even if you're doing e-commerce or you have a brick and mortar business. Now, what Gillette did was they started doing how-to videos, and we all know that YouTube is one of the best places to learn how to do anything. You know, I last year, a year before last, I dropped my laptop on the floor and cracked my screen, and I was freaking out, you know, because I'm like, oh my God, I can't use my laptop. And one of my friends, I started, went on Amazon, whatever, trying to price how much this thing would cost, and you know, to get a new screen. And some of the places were charging up to $100 to install this new screen into my laptop. And I'm like, I don't have $100, man. I can't afford that. So I was talking with one of my friends, and he said, man, why don't you YouTube it? So I went on YouTube and just typed in how to install a new screen on my laptop. Typed in the laptop that I have, and boom, right away there was a video where a guy showed you how to do it. 10-minute video. So I ordered the new screen and I watched that video again. You won't believe how simple it was. All I had to do, I took the cover off of the screen. There were 4 screws on there, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I unscrewed those, took the new screen, unplugged the old screen, popped it in, plugged it back in, put the screws in, boom, boom. And within less than 10 minutes, I was back in business. And that kind of sold me on the benefit of YouTube. I've been on YouTube since 2013. I made a lot of videos. And now the other benefit is, and I want you to check out this closely. If you are promoting any kind of a product, if you are promoting any kind of an offer, and we're going to use, and I'm going to show you how to do this hack because it's called the Dream Keyword ABC hack. We're going to talk about that in a minute. You can actually put your videos, and you've seen them before, like when you click on a video, sometimes there'll be a quick commercial where you can skip it after 5 seconds. Well, here's the thing. First of all, you've been targeted because remember this, Google bought YouTube in, I think it was 2007. And you can do YouTube video ads. I've talked about this before. And it is really, really inexpensive to do this type of advertising. It is way more inexpensive than Facebook. And you have just as huge a reach, if not better, because video is king. 85% of all content is consumed in video form. So my point in saying all of that is, you can actually put your YouTube advertisement, your video, in front of someone's video that's similar to what you're promoting. You can actually go and do some research on influencers and brands and all those kinds of things, and you can put your video right there in front. You get that 5 seconds to put your video in front of, well, actually have more than 5 seconds. And that comes with creating a compelling video to get people to look at it past 5 seconds. But my point is that you can advertise on YouTube, and it is way more expensive, and you can get some of the best targeting, similar to what Facebook does. The demographics, and I've done a training on that, so I'm not going to go into detail about that. But we're going to jump right into how you're going to be able.
Priority 1 message from Starfleet coming in on secured channel.
Sorry, guys. I'm a Star Trek fan. I got a Priority 1 message from Starfleet. I'll have to answer that in a minute. But let me share my screen, and I'm going to show you how you can do this ABC hack. It is because what it is, you're going to be using long tail keywords, which are mostly phrases. So let me click over and share my screen. I'm going to go to wait a minute, go to YouTube. I can hear. There we go. So here on YouTube, let me move this down a little bit. We'll move it over here. But here's how this thing works, guys. Let's just say, and we're going to use, nope, we don't want to do that. Again, I love it but as you can see, when you type in anything in the search bar, you can get suggestions for videos. But this is what this is going to do. It's going to help you to find your dream keywords. So we're going to use how to make money. Let me drop that down some. But here is the trick. The ABC hack is you put how to make money, which is your broad keyword that you want to try to rank for. You put a space in and you type in A, and boom, you got here how to make money as a teenager, how to make money as a teen, how to make money at 13, how to make money as an artist. And what you do is you can just pick the keywords that are relevant to whatever it is that you're promoting, and you just go through the alphabet. So let's do how to make money blogging, how to make money box with paper, how to make money buying stocks, how to make money doing nothing. And we keep going. How to make money cake, how to make money coding, how to make money cutting grass, how to make money copywriting. Yeah. So as you can see, all you have to do is put in your base keyword phrase, and then put a space in between that and put in the letter, and you can just go through the entire alphabet until and you'll end up getting 20 to 50 keywords that you can put into your campaigns when you're doing YouTube video ads. You can also do this on Google, and I think I've done this before. But let's click over to Google right now, and we'll do the same thing: how to make money. Of course, it's showing the same things, but let's use G. How to make money gaming, how to make money grow, how to make money homesteading, how to make money hiking, how to make money home, how to make money homesteading. Yeah. Or we go in K, how to make money kids, or how to make money today. Yeah. So as you can see, there are a lot of ways that you can use this hack, and in order to let me stop sharing my screen. So there are a lot of ways that you can use this ABC hack to find long tail keywords and keyword phrases that you can put into your campaigns when you're promoting on Google, if you're doing YouTube video ads, and you can even use it with Facebook with the tags and different things. You can put those in. It's not as effective with Facebook or Instagram or some of these other platforms. But if you're doing paid advertising, and I encourage you to do paid advertising with YouTube, because YouTube, again, is the #2 search engine behind Google. And if you are not doing YouTube video ads, you're doing yourself a disservice, because the targeting is just as good as what you get on Facebook, and it is extremely, extremely less expensive. So that's all that I have for you today. I didn't want to be on here too long. I just wanted to share this hack. Again, all of these hacks and secrets I've learned from reading this book, Traffic Secrets. If you want to pick up a copy of this book, you can get a free copy of Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson.